from Southern Couture, and I'm very excited to be here today to show you the February devotional kit from DaySpring, and I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of everything you're going to get in the kit. We are focusing on women of the Bible, and then also a little bit about the Encouraged Devotional Bible that just was released at the end of last year. And I can't wait to show you how you'll be able to use these two together. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you more of the Bible, but let's go ahead and start unboxing this beautiful kit so that you'll know exactly what you're going to get. So we are focusing on women of the Bible for February, and also what's really fun is this kit is going to coordinate with the March and April kits because we are going to keep the study of women of the Bible for the next 3 months. How cool is that? I love the whole idea of doing a Bible study for this instead of just a topic for a devotional kit, and I know you guys will love it. If you just do one kit, that's fine. It will be a great study, but it is really cool that we can do it for the next 3 months and have the kits coordinate together, so you'll be able to use these supplies and the next 2 kits, and it all just flows together really nicely and gives you a big bang for your buck, considering that you can use this supplies for the next 2 kits as well. So again, we're focusing on women of the Bible and better together. So I have this little purple sticker that is on the tissue when you first open it. It would be great to cut this out and use it in your journaling as well. Your all your supplies are covered in this little green tissue that you could also use for journaling. I love finding all ways that I can to use every little piece that comes with the kit. And we've got our little intro card that's talking about women of the Bible. And in this one, we're going to be talking about Mary and Elizabeth, Joanna and Susanna, Mary and Martha, and the prophetess Huldah. And I hope I'm saying that right. Please forgive me if I'm not. But we're going to be talking about these women of the Bible. And this is just like a little welcome card with a little note, and it tells you what you can expect from this kit and a little bit more about Bible journaling. So I love this because I can cut off the top for use it for the washi or tabs. Also that little emblem there I could cut out and use in my journaling. And then let me show you this sticker, another one of the stickers just like the one that came on the box. You just get an extra one so you can use that in your journaling as well. And then your washi is so pretty. They've done this leaves and floral pattern, and it comes in like purples and green olive tones and like a reddish pink tone there. So that's very, very cute. I hope you can see all the little detailing, the light blue. There we go. So it's very subtle colors that are on it, but it's very, very pretty. And you'll see how it coordinates with devotionals and the Bible. So great. So in every kit, DaySpring is going to be sending you a free card that comes along with the kit so that you can send out an encouragement to someone else. And I just love that. I love this idea of you get the kit, the card comes along with it free, and you can just pass this right along in the mail to someone. And this actually comes from their Encouraged collection, so that's really fun. These cards are super nice quality. They're very thick, so if you've never had their cards before, this is a really neat way to check those out as well and send on something to someone else to really brighten their day. And then next you have a little bag of tabs, and even this bag is like super thick, nice quality. You could definitely use this to hold other little random pieces, paper pieces, if you have them left over from other kits. But these are little tabs. How cute are these? The little plastic tabs with the little clips at the top. They say be strong. We have this orangey coral tone with a leaf. Then this one has trust, new life, miracle, another little floral. So you get 1, 2, 3, you get 6 of those tabs. And I love using these at the top of my entries, even in a traveler's notebook or something like that to keep my place. And I always like finding how these little words are going to coordinate with my devotional so I can use them in those corresponding pages in my Bible. Then you're going to get 2 sheets of the clear stickers, which I really like because I'm always afraid I'm going to run out of supplies, and then so I'm holding on to them every little bit and not sure when I want to use them, but you don't have to worry about that. You're going to get 2 sheets. We have some of the same florals and the leaf and greenery designs that you've seen already. We have all of these different little words and this beautiful cursive font. The words I'm sure will go directly with the devotionals, which is fun to pair those up. And then what I like that they've done here is they have taken the names of the women of the Bible that we're studying at this time and block them out with the color block so that they really pop and they really stand out from the other ones, which will be nice when you're journaling and you can really emphasize that that is who you're focusing on for that entry. So that's really fun. And then of course we've got to have some alpha stickers, and they've given you 2 sheets of these as well, which is great because you know we always run out of those letter E's constantly, right? And so these are a pretty purple lavender color, which goes great. I love that you've got 2 sheets of those as well. And then I'll go ahead and show you. This is such a fun little thing. I cannot believe they're doing this in here, but how cool is this? You're gonna get a Faber-Castell gelato, and this is in fig. Very, very pretty. It's just a very, very light purple lavender. If I can get this open right now, I will kind of show you on a scrap piece what this color looks like. I should have already opened it for you. But I have lots of gelatos, and it's so fun because I don't have fig. How cool is that? So I'm really excited because I don't have this fig color, so now I do, and it goes great with this kit. I have metallics and I have other ones, but this is cool because it'll be a new color and it'll work great with this kit. But I'm going to just put that on there so you can kind of see the color of this one. So it's just a beautiful lavender. That is just gorgeous. Okay, I love that. Such a pretty pastel purple. So you're gonna get that with the kit as well. And if you're not sure how to use gelatos, no worries. I have lots of other videos showing you exactly how to use gelatos with different techniques and stuff. So that will be something you will want to check out if you want to see how you could use these in your entries. You can use them with the stamps. You'll be able to use them with baby wipes. So lots of fun techniques there. I'll try to leave some of those videos linked down below too about the gelatos. So then you have your little devotionals. You're going to get 4 devotionals, so 1 for each week of the month, or you could work through them all in 1 week, whatever makes you happy. And we're focusing again, women of the Bible, better together. And we've got Mary and Elizabeth, each group of women or woman that we're studying for each week. You're gonna have a little devotional there, and then at the bottom you're going to be getting some little journaling prompts and questions. And so these are not as long as the Traveler's Notebook size, but I still think this would be something fun that you could put into a Traveler's Notebook. And what's really cool is you could put it in there and then use maybe some of these stamps with the title names to fill in that page, or you could use some of the stamps that I'm about to show you. So I'm going to be using mine in a Traveler's Notebook or in a small journal, separate from my Bible, which I'll also be doing those entries, but I will show you guys how I do my Traveler's Notebook in another video more than likely, so stay tuned for that. And then we're also going to be getting the stamps. Let me use this to show you. And I love it when they do this. This is probably one of my most favorite things they do with these kits is they give you a title stamp. I've loved having that in the past, because I want to know when I open my Bible and I'm looking at an entry, if it came from a specific devotional or Bible study that I was doing, I want to know where it came from. So if I want to go back and reference it, then I can. And so like it's the exact same title as your stickers. It has the better together that we're talking about. And then you've got pictures of women from the Bible, those little illustrations, some more of the greenery and leaves. I just love that. I love how it coordinates with this washi perfectly. So I love that they've done that. What would be fun too is to stamp these on each page when you're talking about a specific, woman from the Bible. So that's really cool. I overall am just thrilled with this new kit. I really do love it. I love doing studies where you're talking about certain topics and searching out the Bible to see what scripture says. But there's something really fun about doing a Bible study kit that's going to focus on, really digging into the word about, women of the Bible. We are going to dig into the word and study the women of the Bible this time, and I'm excited about that. There's certain women in the Bible that stand out to me that I, have studied or I've had favorite characters, as we all do through the years. And so this is a fun way to really study all of those and maybe some names you hadn't even heard of before. So here is the Bible that I want to show you, and this is the Encouraged Devotional Bible. This is the Christian Standard Bible, and I want to say a big thank you to DaySpring again for sending me the kit, sending me this gorgeous Bible that I can't wait to show you. I just love it, and I can do a whole separate video on this Bible. If you're interested, please let me know in the comments below if you want to see a whole video just about the Bible. I will do a more extensive flip through and everything so that you can see all of the features that it has, because it is beautiful. This is the navy genuine leather. It comes in all different kinds of covers as well. There's about 4 or 5 different varieties. So I'll just show you a little bit of the flip through here. You have this gorgeous floral theme throughout, and I love that because all of our stuff from our kit is going to coordinate beautifully. I just love it. I love that it's going to have the same floral and greenery theme. So that is what I'm excited about with this, because I want things to kind of match and coordinate. I'm kind of picky like that. So you've got your title pages for your different chapters, and then this Bible throughout the whole thing, you have this margin space down at the bottom. So in a typical traditional journaling Bible, we're used to having that on the sides. Our illustrating Bibles now are huge margins, but this is fun. This is just a little bit of a margin space down at the bottom for study notes and things like that. So it's going to be great to write notes, highlight, go through, mark up your scripture when you're studying. But what I'm excited to show you is how you're going to be able to coordinate the Bible with the supplies from the kit. So there is going to be another video down below. You will see in the description where you can go to find that video to watch to see how I'm using the Bible with the kit and showing you a little bit about how to do a little mini entry and using your supplies down here at the bottom. So you've got to head down to the description right after this video to check that out, and you'll get an idea, because sometimes other people don't have journaling Bibles, and I want to give you guys options. So if you don't, and you have a Bible maybe like this, or you have a Bible that doesn't even have space in it at all, you could still use supplies to journal if that's something that you want to do. So head down to the description right after, check out that video, let me know what you guys think, let me know if you want to see another video showing you just the Bible, and I would be more than glad to do that. I'll show you just a little bit here as you go through their different devotionals with this color, and what happens is you'll see as I flip, there's all different colors of devotionals, and actually all of these colors and styles are broken down. So this yellow is for one specific topic, this orange color is for another topic, and that's how the Bible is organized. So it's really fun if you want to use it in that way for all these devotionals. And so it's going to just pair perfectly with the devotionals we're doing here, as far as colors, as far as the devotionals, the content. It's really, really pretty. I'm so excited. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you'll grab your kit. Again, in the description down below is going to be a link where you will find where you can buy the kit, a link to purchase the Bible if that's something you want to do, and also a video showing you how I'm using these supplies in my Bible, in this Encourage Bible. I will be doing other videos showing you how to use it in the Illustrating Bible. So if that's a style of Bible you have and that you want to use instead of doing little mini entries, I will show that. And also my Traveler's Notebook. So lots of good stuff to come, but I will let you go so you can check out the other video, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye-bye.